Hello guys, welcome back to Sourcify platform. I am your friend Gaurav. So today in this video we are going to continue the C language series. So here let's open the software which is dev C++. Now let's create a new file, then save it, save as, okay, save it in a particular folder so that it will be easier to find after. Okay, this is the folder which I made for this. Here video2.c. Okay, don't forget to write .c because this is the extension. So if you have not seen previous video, you can check out this in our website Sourcify or in our YouTube channel Sourcify. Okay, so at first in today's video we will learn about how to get input from the user. For that we have to at first write the basic structure. Let's write it has include stdio.h. So stdio.h is the standard file. After that int main is a function actually, and int is the output type. Okay, and after main there is a you can see bracket and there is nothing inside the bracket. It means there is void. It means we will not give any value. Okay, this function will not take any value and return it after calculation for that. Okay, so this is actually the basic structure. When we will study about the function, there we will definitely discuss in detail about that. So after that, what let's see. Let's suppose we have to take a number from user. For that, what we have to do at first, declare a variable. For that, you have to at first write the type of the variable which you want to get from the user. For that, let's see. We want an integer number. For that, we have to write int in, then this symbol. After that, what we have to show to the user that let's enter a number please. Okay, like that. For that, what we can do, we can print it, and for that we have to write printf. Here here we have to write enter number. Okay, and don't forget to add /n after that. Okay, because it is very important that you are taking the value in the next line. So for adding a next line or taking the value in the next line, you have to write this /n, or which is called as new line character. I have told it in the previous video, you can check it out. So after that you have to close it. Very careful about writing it. So uh, return 0. This is actually the basic structure that we have to give return 0. So I already written it like that. After that, what we have to do now, if we run the program, you can see here execute, compile and run. So this is showing that enter a number. So after that, what we expect that it actually get the input of a number, take the input actually. Okay, for that what we can do, scanf. Okay, scanf means this is a function which is included in standard stdio.h file, and it used for reading the value, okay, entered by the user. For that, what we can do, so in today's video we will also learn about the format specifier, but before that let's see what I am doing. We have to write the format specifier like %d, which is the format specifier for integer value. Okay, so %d and then comma, and in which address. So we have to write address of n. Okay, because we have already declared an integer called n. Okay, so we want to store the value in that address. Okay, so let run this, compile and run. Okay, this is taking the value now. After that, let's suppose the question says that we have to display that or you can say we have to confirm about what number the user entered. For that, we have to rewrite a command using printf not single double inverted comma, and here your entered number is what, like here we cannot give a fixed value because user can give any type of value. For that, what we can do, we have just to write the format specifier here. For that, you know, the format specifier is %d, and here you have to give a comma and write the corresponding variable. Okay, so what is the corresponding variable for %d here? In. Okay, so let close this. Okay, after that, let run this. Okay, it is saying that enter a number. Let's enter 5. Yeah, this is showing that your entered number, actually it is your entered number is 5. Okay, so in that way we confirm that our program is right and it is executable. Okay, this is all about getting the input of a number. Okay, so after getting the input of a number, we will learn about uh, how to get the input of a character. So what I mean by the character is that A, B, C, D, E, F, this all. Okay, so for that, before starting the coding for getting the input of a character, I will close this. So for closing a code or the part of code in your program, you can use this symbol. Okay, then here first use star, then backslash. Okay, so this part of code will not be executed. Okay, will not execute when we will run the program. So this is equivalent to cut the actual this portion from the program. So what we can do here, we have to at first specify that which type of input. It is a character input. So for that we have to write char. Okay, char. Then we have to give a name to the variable. Let's name it as character character. Okay, uh, after that what we can do, close it, then go to the next line. Here say to the user to input a character. So for that what we can do, printf, then output this, please enter any character. Okay, after that slash in for new line character and close it. After that we have to get the input from the user. For that what we can do, we can use scanf function. Here we have to give the format specifier. So for character, we the format specifier is %c. Okay, comma, and where we have to we have to store the value in which address. So address of character, this is the actually the variable. So control C, copy, and you can write it also if the name is short. So control V and paste it. Okay, so we are storing, actually storing the input at character, okay, at the address of character, and we have declared it as char, okay, char type. What is the this is actually int, char, these are actually the data type, okay, which type of data is inputted actually, okay. So after that we have to output this, or you can say we have to give the output or confirmation message. For that, what we can do, printf, and here your entered character is percentage %c, okay, comma this name, variable name, okay. Let's copy it, paste it here. You can give any name without but do not use the name of the actually this character or int, okay, this type of name, but instead of this you can give any name. Like here I give this character name, okay, so you can give any type of name. Then close it. Let's run the program. Oh, there is a missing that return 0. This is very important. It actually tells the compiler that there is no error, okay, so zero error actually. So here enter C, your inputted it is showing that your entered character is C, okay. Let's try something, re-execute this or run this. GOURAB, let's see what happened. Oh, we write GOURAB, but it is showing only G. But why? Because we are only taking a character, okay, a single character. We are not taking a string. So what is string, I will tell you about that. But here we are getting only the first character, okay. After first character, this all OURAB, okay, this all will be actually ignored, okay. The first character only will be considered as your input, because we are taking here only one input of a single character, okay. So what we can do now for getting the input of a name, you can say, or a word, a single word. So before starting it, let me write that this is about how to uh, okay, I'm writing like that, how we can get a character input, okay. Here how we can get input of a number. Here get a character input, okay. So after that, what we will learn, let me write the question or the statement at first. So this is also actually closing tag, okay. uh, this will not, the portion will not be the part of the program, it will considered as a normal sentence, okay, not a part of the program. So here I'm writing how we can get the input of a single word. Okay, so before starting, let me close it, backslash and then start. It is closed. Okay, let's start. How we can get the input of a single word. So for that, what we can do, similarly, actually here we have to declare a string. Okay, for that what we can do, this is a character type but character string. Okay, character string. So in a string we can get the input of multiple characters. Okay, for a word. Okay, for a word, if we want to print a single word, so there will be multiple characters and we can get the input of that. char. Okay, char, here string like word string, so we are naming it at word. Let's focus on that, how I am writing a strings. Okay, so word, let give it a size of like how many word we can input, sorry, how many character we can input actually in this word. Let's say we can input only 5 characters. Okay, and so for that I write here 5. After that, similar process, so we have to say user about please input. For that I am copying it, control C, and then control V, paste. Like you can also write it. Okay, as I am telling you, so for time value we are copying it actually. So here what we can do, enter a word within 5 containing. Okay, containing less or equal to 5 char. Okay, 5 character actually. So slash n, by instructing the user with it. So now we have to get the input. How we can get, using scanf. Here which format specifier we will use, percentage string, because here we are using we are actually getting the input as a string. Okay, and where it will store at the address of word. Okay, word. So close it. After that scanf. Okay, now we have to give the confirmation message. For that, printf enter, sorry, your entered word is what, percentages. Okay, comma, what is percentages, word. Okay, so let's run this, compile and run. Input GOUR A, ঠিক আছে. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, exactly 5 characters. Let's see. Okay, this is the output. Your entered word is GOUR A. What if we will enter more characters? What will happen? Let's see. GOURAB D or RAB. Okay, B. So here how many characters? G, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 characters. Oh, but it is showing still now 6 characters, but we have defined that the string can get only 5 characters. But how? How it is possible? There is a wrong thing in our program. Let me test it first and I will tell you. Okay. So we can 5 execute, compile and run. GOURUB. Okay. I have tested it and now I will tell about what was wrong in our program. So we have defined the size of that string here. Okay, in beside word here 5, but we have not defined here. Here this was like that percentages, but this is wrong. We have to define the size also here. Of how many size we can get the input. So of like 5. Okay, size of 5. Then this program will be completely correct. Like we're writing it GOURABDS. Here how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But there is 9 character, but it will show only the first 5 characters. Let enter. Okay, it is showing the first 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can input any number, but uh, it will show only the first 5 characters. Okay, because you have written here 5. Okay, this was wrong in our program and we have learned it. After that, I hope you understand it. After that, we will learn about how to, now word is done, first character then word. Now if we want to get the input of a sentence, then what we can do? Let's rerun this program and see if it is showing a sentence. If we input it, we are going to learn about it. This, but we what happened here? We inputted this. We are going to learn about it, but it is showing that you entered word. Your entered word is we. Only the first word. Okay, only the first word. But why? Because we have to write another program. Okay, with another type. Uh, you can say format specifier. Okay, with another using another format specifier for getting the input of a sentence. Let's see how to get the input of a sentence. Before writing it, let me close this program. For that, what we can do, start and done. This is now not a part of our executable program. Okay, this is only a statement. So very simple. For that, we have to do what? Similar, because we are using character string, we are inputting the characters. Okay, but in string, but here also we have to input a sentence. 3 conditions. So what we can do? Char, okay, what is the input type? Input type is actually character, because we are actually inputting the characters. Okay, now sentence, okay, sorry, sentence. So name the array as sentence and let define the size as 20. After that, we have to give an instruction to the user to get the, so that he will enter a sentence. So for that, what we can do, you can write it. I'm just copying it for the saving of time. Okay, control C, and I'm pasting it here. Control V. Enter a sentence. Here will be sentence. C-N-T-E-N-C-E. Okay. Sentence containing less or equal to 20 character. Okay. This is actually the character size. Okay. How many characters we can enter. After that, we have to get the input. Scanf. Similar function we have to use. Here the format specifier is important. But before the saying about that, explaining about that, let me write it. ACNT. Okay. We have to write it as address of, it means and address of SENTENCE, because we have named it as sentence here, so we are writing it also here, then close it. So what we can do here, we can write the format specifier as percentage, then this bracket. Okay, you know it. After that, control shift 6. Okay, keyboard shortcut, shift 6, upper arrow, and after that slash in. Okay, what it means, it means that this format specifier will read characters until it encounters a new line character. Okay, this slash n means the new line character. So what is the use, you can write, note it down. The use about to get the input of a sentence. After that we have to output it. Okay, printf. So your entered sentence is what, here will be percentage s, we can use. Okay, no problem, comma, the name was what, sentence, control C, because the output type is actually what, output type is a string. Okay, we are writing this only to count the characters or get the input or store the input till the new line character. Okay, uh, just writing it for that. Scan in scanf. Here control V, sentence was a name, then close it. Here I did the same mistake. What is the mistake? Let's see. At first, let's run the program. So return 0. Now execute, compile and run. Okay, enter a sentence containing less or equal to 20 character. How are you? Okay, actually there is spelling mistake and mistakenly click enter by me. Let's rerun the program. Okay, so how are you and question mark, let's see what will happen. Okay, this is printed. How are you? This is the portion actually what we have to print, and this was actually in the last line of our printf function. Your entered sentence is. Okay, after that there was percentage s, and percentage s was connected with the sentence word. Okay, or variable name. So this is successfully printed. What if we will enter more than 20 character, like 1 2 3 character, space is 4 character, 5 6 7 character, 8 character, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What will happen? Okay, I can give the last character as a b c d EF. So let's run this. There is more than 20 character, but still it is running it and printing the whole word, or you can say the sentence. So what we can do here is the mistake. We have to also give the size here 20. Okay, so now run the program, execute and compile and run. Like, how are you? I am the hello to you. Okay, there is, I think, actually more than 20 characters had been entered. Now enter in keyboard, enter. Okay, it print it print only till what? How are you? Okay, I am go. So let's see how many characters are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 20 character, till 20 character it printed successfully, but go, yeah, like till this. Okay, after that, this URAB, then space is also considered as a character, remember it. Okay, so this is not printed. So I hope you understand about how to get the input of a number, of a character, single character, of a word, and ultimately of a sentence. Okay, we have learned something, some basics about strings also, type of strings, and the format specifiers also. So what are format specifiers? I am revising it. Like here, percentage D is for integer, percentage C is for character, percentage S is for string. Here also we are using it for getting the sentence. Okay, or counting, till counting the characters till uh, there is no new line character. Okay, so, or you can say there is, we have not entered. Okay, we have not pressed the enter in keyboard. So this is a very unique format specifier, you can remember it. This will be very important. Okay, so for today this is all about this format specifier. Okay, and okay, so that's all. We will learn about many things in next video and continue our series. So till then you can check out our website, sourcify000webhostapp.com. You can visit the website or get the link from the description box. Okay, and there you will go to the resources section, and uh, there will be a option, like in the upper of the digital library. So click on that option. Not in digital library, there will be another option, click on it. There you will get, scroll down, and you will get C language. Okay, C language code. So there will enter the course, and you will find daily challenge. Okay, I will upload the daily challenge within some 4 to 5 hours, and you can do it and send it. There will be all instructions. Okay, you can do it. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and goodbye. And if you have any suggestion, you can comment down. Thank you so much.